What's up, YouTubers? Johnny DIY here. If you guys are new to my channel, please do me a favor, click the subscribe and notification bell so you can get all my new videos. Alright, let's get... So then we'll come on up to the top of our water heater, and we're gonna go ahead and shut off the cold water supply line that's coming in. Now we're gonna open the hot water faucet that's closest to our water heater. That's just gonna let air in the system for when we drain the water tank. Okay, so now we're gonna take a regular garden hose and you're gonna come down to the bottom of the tank, and this is your drain valve right here. You're gonna hook up the garden hose right to the end of that. And make sure you have the garden hose running downhill, and it's gonna be hot water, so be careful. You don't wanna run it to your plants or anything. Then you're gonna take a flathead screwdriver and we're just gonna give it a turn to the left to open it up. Just about a turn. It should be good. It was draining really slow. Sometimes these valves can get corroded shut almost over the years. Pretty much plugged up, so I'm gonna go ahead and close it off. Careful, you may need gloves if the water's really hot. It's coming out a little more now, but get a piece of wire or coat hanger. We're gonna open it up, see if we can't fish it in there. Now it's coming out better. There we go. Okay, now it's finally draining pretty well. We're just gonna let this drain all the way. So hopefully you found something in this video helpful. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments, go ahead and leave those down below and I'll get back to you. If you guys are new to the channel, please subscribe and click the notification bell so you can get my new videos. Thanks for watching Johnny DIY. Keep on doing it yourself, guys. Take care.